Hi guys, let's go and show you my truck.
This is my new box truck, International 2021 years release, with a sleeper room for 2 people. This is my driver's seat. This is my workspace. When I spend most of my time, I always have a phone, Navi, water and charge for my phone. Behind me I have a room. I show you. Let's go. In sleeper room I have my bed where I sleep, the bed second driver or my future girlfriend. I have a small kitchen box with kitchen items, a refrigerator, yeah, and I have a microwave, and I have a controller for game, laptop when I can watch a movie or I can work. And when I drive in the road, I like up my seat, and after I feel like bored. Kink in the road, turn right, turn left,